Speak English naturally. Hi everyone. Today, I'm here to help you learn how to speak English naturally and confidently. If you're starting your English speaking journey or trying to improve your skills, this video will give you practical tips to make the process easier. Don't be afraid of making mistakes, they're a natural part of learning. Let's dive in and discover how you can have simple, smooth, and natural conversations in English. To sound natural in English, focus on simple, everyday words and phrases. There's no need to use big or complicated words to express yourself. For instance, instead of saying, "I am famished," you can simply say, "I'm very hungry." Use common phrases like, "How are you?" or "What's your plan today?" These are the kinds of expressions people use in real life. Another important tip is to start thinking in English. Many learners struggle because they try to translate sentences from their native language into English. Instead, train your mind to think directly in English. For example, when you see a chair, think, "This is a chair," or when you're planning your day, say in your mind, "I will go to the park." Start with small, simple thoughts, and over time, this will become natural. Listening to native speakers is another effective way to improve your fluency. Watch movies, listen to podcasts, or watch YouTube videos where English speakers communicate naturally. Pay attention to how they pronounce words, their tone, and how they form sentences. Try to copy what they say, word for word. This is called the shadowing technique. For example, if someone says, "What are you doing today?" pause and repeat it exactly as they said it. This will help you improve your pronunciation and sound more natural. It's also important to remember that mistakes are normal when learning any language. Don't be afraid to make them. Every mistake is a chance to learn something new. Most people appreciate your effort to speak their language and won't judge you for small errors. One of the best ways to improve is to practice speaking with different people. Talk to friends, family, or classmates in English whenever you get the chance. You can also join online communities or groups where people from different countries practice English together. The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll feel. Starting conversations can sometimes feel challenging, but you can use simple topics to begin. Ask questions like, "What's your favorite food?" or "Have you watched any good movies recently?" These are easy to talk about and can lead to interesting discussions. Make English a part of your daily life by practicing every day. Talk about what you did during the day, describe what's happening around you, or pretend you're explaining something to a friend. For example, "Today, I went to the market. I bought some fresh vegetables and fruit." This helps you get used to speaking English in everyday situations. Learning full phrases instead of single words is also helpful. For example, instead of just learning the word "help," learn how to say, "Can you help me with this?" This will make it easier to use the language in real conversations. Watching movies, TV shows, or YouTube videos in English can improve your listening skills. Listening to songs and singing along is another fun way to learn. This helps you pick up new words and understand how they are used naturally. Recording yourself speaking is another great way to improve. When you listen to your recordings, you can hear your pronunciation and notice areas where you can improve. Over time, you'll see how much progress you've made. Staying relaxed is key to speaking naturally. Don't rush to finish your sentences. Take your time and focus on communicating your ideas. Remember, learning English is a process, and it's okay to pause or think before you speak. Real-life practice is one of the best ways to become confident. Whenever possible, use English in real situations. For example, order food at a restaurant in English or ask for directions in English. These small experiences will build your confidence and improve your fluency. Pay attention to your surroundings, such as signs, advertisements, or notices written in English. Try to read and understand them. This will help you connect with the language in real-life contexts. Learning to speak English naturally takes time, so be patient with yourself. Practice a little every day, and celebrate your small victories, like completing a sentence or holding a short conversation. These small achievements will keep you motivated. If possible, find a speaking partner or mentor. Practicing with someone who can correct your mistakes and guide you will help you improve much faster. Reading books aloud is another great way to improve your confidence and pronunciation. Start with simple books, such as children's stories, and focus on reading clearly and naturally. For example, read a sentence like, "Once upon a time, there was a little girl," and imagine telling it to someone. When you listen to English content like podcasts or TV shows, try to repeat sentences after the speaker. For example, if the speaker says, "What's your plan for the weekend?" pause and repeat it with the same tone and speed. This will make your speech more fluent and natural. Writing short stories or daily diaries in English can also be helpful. After writing, read them aloud as if you're telling a story to a friend. For example, write, "Today, I went to the park. I saw children playing and enjoyed the fresh air," and practice saying it out loud. You can also improve by answering questions while watching English content. For example, if someone in a video asks, "What's your favorite dish?" pause and answer out loud, "My favorite dish is pasta." This active practice builds your confidence. To sound more natural, try using idioms and expressions that are common in English. For example, "break the ice" means to start a conversation, and "a piece of cake" means something easy. Use these phrases in your conversations, like, "Learning English isn't always a piece of cake, but I'm enjoying it." Speaking English naturally is not about being perfect, it's about communication. Take small steps every day, keep practicing, and never give up. The more you speak, the more confident you'll become. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments which tip you liked the most, and feel free to share your own experiences with learning English. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.